Hey Sierra Vista! Welcome to Open House. I'm Natalia.
And I'm Kelly.
And I'm Elisa.
I hope you enjoy all these fun clips we took. Bye!
Bye! Sierra Vista, I'm here with
Mrs. Flaherty.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a ton of fun. I already took pictures at the photo booth. I already hit up the English snack sales. Saw the book fair. It's a great time tonight.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, I'm here with
Kai.
What class are you most excited to visit?
617.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hello, I'm here with
Laura Marquez.
Raul.
Your mom.
Yeah. I was gonna ask who your kid
your
was.
dad.
Yeah.
Your mom.
My parents. What was your favorite subject in school? Or like, what was your best subject in school?
PE.
It used to be math.
Not anymore? Okay.
They're trying to help you with your stuff.
I'm here with.
Nettie.
What's your child's name?
Elisa.
Right here, guys. I'm her daughter. Anyway. What was your favorite subject at school?
Science. Science rock.
Me too, Mom. What was your favorite subject, Nicholas?
Math.
Respect. Are you enjoying elementary school?
No. Yes.
No.
Kind of.
No.
I am. I don't like it. I hate it. No, you don't hate it.
This school's better, even though
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sierra Vista's cool, guys. Okay. Are you guys excited for middle school?
Yeah, our school kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'm here with.
Miss Lynette.
And you are.
I am the new wellness coordinator.
So, what was your favorite subject in middle school?
My favorite subject in middle school was probably English. I liked writing. So, yeah.
Are you excited to be a new teacher here?
I am. I am very excited. I'm excited to get to know some of the students here, and I've enjoyed meeting some that I already have. So, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Here with.
Marcus Garrett.
What was your favorite subject in middle school?
I had a lot of favorites, but I loved math and PE. And actually, we had a sewing class that I thought was super cool too.
I'm here with.
Brianna.
Do you remember your schedule from 7th grade?
Yeah. I had first period elective, second period PE, third history, fourth math, fifth science, sixth English.
Thank you.
We're here with.
Lucas.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Okay.
Which subject do you enjoy the most?
I don't know. English?
Okay, thank you.